What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making Southern macaroni salad. This is the perfect side dish for any barbecue or cookout spread, or just because. So first you're gonna boil some water and cook your macaroni in accordance with the package instructions. I'm using 8 ounces of elbow macaroni here. And once that pasta has cooked, you want to drain it in some cold water and dry it completely, and add in 1 cup of mayo, 2 chopped celery stalks, 1/2 cup of chopped onions. I'm using red onions here, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 3 boiled and chopped eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and some salt and pepper to taste. Then go ahead and give everything a good stir. And don't forget about the mustard. I'm using a tablespoon here. Then stir everything up. And then you're gonna chill that macaroni salad. I like to let it chill for at least an hour. And there you have it.